Today I met a goal. I totally ate plant-based today. I haven't done that in weeks, if not months. I threw away some leftovers. Like yesterday, I had some curry chicken and some rice and peas, and it made me a little bloated. And normally I'm like, oh, I don't want to waste it. But I just kind of looked in some of your old notes talking about like get in your fridge and throw away the junk. So I just threw it away. This is my second day in a row of having my kale salad that I made with a lot of love. Um,
Um,
I watched.
a lot of love. Like she just make a with a lot of love.
Yes, because when I make my salads, I massage the kale with lime and olive oil, and then I add artichokes and tomatoes and cucumbers and Kalamata olives.
Yes.
So I watched the movie. Um, I asked my husband for what I wanted, and I exceeded my water goal today. So I just wanted to let you all know that I'm telling you, like, because I always say I'm in the mix and I want to do this, but I really determined to write certain things down and to say, okay, this is about loving me when I'm doing these things.